guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got two special cars, which I have already picked. We got a DeLorean, a Mandalorian, and we got this mystery model, which might have a Mandalorian, and we also have another Mandalorian. So right now, let's open the Back in the Future. But we got my mystery box, which I bought. I bought 14 cars. I bought a lot of cars because I went to the shop. I saw so many cars, and I found one of these too. So I decided, I bought a lot of cars, whatever. There's a lot. And also the tapes. Yeah, let's just open the cars. So first car we got, the Back to the Future car. Let's pop it open. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God. Look at that Mandalorian, guys. I love a Mandalorian. It doesn't, the engine. Look at those engines. They kind of look like a big, fan. It's also got that kind of key thing where you can, turn it or something. It's got that exposed engine. And the car has a very, flat surface. It also, doesn't really have wheels on the car. I love the gray color and the blue windshield, too. And it's also got the wires on the side of the car. So the engine will be able to go back into the future. Pretty cool car, but I just have one question. Oh, guys, look, it has wheels. It can move. That's so cool. But it does have wheels, little tiny wheels, which is actually a pretty cool feature. So the car won't just be sitting there, but it can actually move. But yeah, this is a pretty cool car. I'm just going to be putting it right here because it's honestly really cool. So next car we are going to open is the Mandalorian mystery box thing. So let's hope we get it. But if you guys want to know, because look, see that? Because, while I was at the Walmart a long time ago, a guy told me, hey, if you want, a certain car, check here. Because if you guys are, looking for, a type of car, any type of car, you can go there and check it, flip the thing, and if it's check the number here. Because, this is number 1. And, just example, I really wanted to get, the Nissan GTR in a new pack here. Because there's a Nissan GTR in the back. So you can, anytime you're looking for the mystery models, remember, you gotta pull it back. If it says number 2, look, see that says number 1. Don't focus on this. Focus where it says 0 or any number right there. So let's open it up. Let's see what we get. So I know I got the Mandalorian. Oh, I ripped it. But okay, we got the map. Let's take a look what's in the map. So, yeah, exactly. Oh, there's a color you have to, do that. But here, this is what I'm exactly talking about. Oh, you can get the Nissan. So, look, see? This is number 1. This is number 1, So, it's pretty cool. We're going to maybe, put that somewhere. Ooh. Now, let's, take a look. And let's take a look at the sticker. Yep, we got it. We got the Mandalorian DC DeLorean. Let's go, finally. Let's take a look at the DeLorean. I want to see what it looks. Oh, look at that DeLorean, bro. That DeLorean looks awesome. Even though it doesn't have the wheels and the engine, I really love the design of this car. That black color. It's got all the alien rockets and stuff. It got this cool green color. It's also got this cool little another green ring around the wheel. And it's also got this very nice back, which is kind of folded a little bit. And this car just looks super it's awesome. Look, we got 2 DeLoreans in my collection now. Look at the comparison. Look, this is this is the custom version. This is just a regular DeLorean. But I can't believe it. We have 2 DeLoreans. Wow, look at that. But still, look how cool the cars are. Hold on. Oh no, I can't turn it. But yeah, the cars are pretty cool. But yeah. But I still, guys, I can't believe we got 2 DeLoreans now. These are my first two DeLoreans in my collection, but let's see which one is faster. Which one is faster? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it looks like the regular DeLorean is faster. Whee. So this one is much faster because it actually has wheels, but this one just, you know. Well, honestly, I love these two cars. Comment in the comment section which one of these two cars are your favorite. Do you like the regular DeLorean or do you like this gray one? But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And you can see me play Roblox, Call of Duty, not really Call of Duty, but Roblox mostly. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, Happy New Year, and bye. Bye-bye.